Welcome to VISHNU IAS. Today we will be dealing with one of the most important Supreme Court judgments, that is, daughter's rights towards property of her father. We will be dealing with two Supreme Court judgments, that is one January 2022 and the other that has taken place in August 2020. The law which says that the daughters has equal inheritance rights to her father's property has already been there in the amendment of Hindu Succession Act in 2005. But there has been a little discrepancy. One which says that if the father doesn't leave the will, then what happens to that? Then Supreme Court has clarified that if the father dies without leaving a will, then the sons and daughters will have equal inheritance rights despite her father being alive or dead on 2005, which is the amendment to the Hindu Succession Act. And the second is, if the daughter is the sole inheritance without the issue of the son, then the daughter will be given preference over any other father's relatives, be it the father's brothers, be it the father's brothers' sons or daughters. That means the daughter of the original father will be given the entire inheritance rights, whether it be self-acquired or any other partition that has been taken place before the father's death. But what is Hindu law? What does the Hindu law say about inheritance and succession? Hindu Succession Act 1956 says that it is drawn from Mitakshara school of law, which is dealing with the succession and inheritance of the property. But in the original act, there has been a little discrepancy. It says that the only male child of the family will have legal inheritance rights and the daughter has no rights among it. To correct this discrimination, in 2005, there has been an amendment to this particular act. Section 6 this particular act has been amended to say that both son and the daughter will have equal inheritance and liabilities to the father's property. This is a major impact because it gives push to Article 14, the right to equality. Not only that, women who have been living under patriarchy and many other misogynistic views will be now corrected because they will be empowered economically to the rights of the properties. This is a landmark judgment for women's progress. This also becomes a very important judgment for prelims perspective. For example, this year there has been a question on Mitakshara law. This Mitakshara law question has been directly drawn from the judgment based on August 2020. That's why you need to be very careful about these judgments and you have to read these judgments very carefully. Go through the question and let me know what your answer is in the comment box. Thank you.